recording the connection of the two parts. Dun, da, da. Have a little trouble there? There.
There we go.
Check that out, folks.
I want to get done.
We'll fix that later.
Okay.
How's that looking?
I
Wow,
fixed it.
awesome.
So, what's the next step?
Turn the page. Looks like we're going to build a few. Look, what's that there? Look, we're going to build that now. That's how we attach it together.
Why
Look.
don't you do one big long
That's how we
one?
attach it together.
Why don't we do one big long video? Just like one big long recording of us doing this the rest of this, because there's like hardly anything.
I was wondering what was going to hold this thing all together.
And look at this. If you haven't ever noticed that, can I just have the camera for a second? This hallway, see where the jail cells are? Right here. You haven't noticed that this hallway actually is the entrance to the second room of the tower house.
Ooh, you're right.
Okay, I'm giving it back to you.
That's awesome. Let's go to the police station where all the business guys are.
So,
Put those pieces on. Put those pieces on. Finish her off.
okay.
That's the long and the short of it.
I can't see it. Oh. Where's the last?
There, look.
I just want to know how you get to the third tower house.
Is that door open anymore? Oh yeah, it works. There's a door. Oh, well, how you get up there?
Yeah, how do you get up there?
That's a good question. Very good question.
So,
Okay.
Oops. No, that is the end.
Missed one page.
So the next
we have a police
page.
sign.
Dad already built that.
Started it, and then these bicycle racks go here. What the heck? Oh, the bike racks go right there. The red things. I'll put them on. I think they're bike racks or something. Racks of some sort.
Just like now see the last page. Well, you didn't need this.
Which one?
Here, I'll put this on your nose.
What's it say? Oh, thanks. A sticker on my nose that says wanted. Hey, that could be a poster somewhere, like at the post office. See, look.
I'm just gonna put that randomly, okay?
Yeah.
Where am I gonna see?
Put it on the front of the truck. Wanted. So people see it when they're driving around. Okay.
Right here. I'll just put it
That's the
round.
last sticker, look. Everyone is used.
You know, let's just trash this one.
Yeah, well, you know what? We can put that somewhere like where the kids will see it. Okay, it's a long video. Oh, it's take forever. Good. I'll put it on the front of the truck so people can see it when we're going on the road. Wanted this guy here.
Okay.
I will edit it down. So far, it's like 3 minutes right now, non-stop.
So.
Okay, put the stick. Where's the sign? The sticker that says police. Oh, you got it on? Okay, gotcha.
So you put the bike rack, and that is it. And that is it of the police station.
Oh, look what I see over there. The red thing we're missing. Sorry to cut it in your video.
So yeah, this was really frustrating, but it was pretty fun. I really like this, and we'll show a couple shots.